Money! Despite everyone having to deal with money, it's a topic no one talks about. I just saw that Google suggests that a YouTuber earns $18 for every 1,000 views. And when I saw that, I just had to make a quick video about it. I know a lot of people are curious about stuff like this and they want to know how much money all the content creators are making. I don't mind being open about this at all, so I just wanted to share some of my analytics and how much I made on my most popular video. It has almost 2.5 million views, and if you use the information from Google, I might have made $45,000 on it. Alright? And I made $170. Some quick math, that's 0.38% of what Google would suggest. I know there's YouTubers out there that's also open about how much they made in a video and stuff like that, and it's a reason why those videos often are 10 to 20 minutes long and the answer won't come until the last minute. That's because absolutely no views are equal. First, the longer the video, the more ads are likely to show and the more you will earn. My video was less than 2 minutes, so it's definitely not a gold mine. The gaming category is also by far the worst category on YouTube if you want to make money. Where your viewers come from also plays a big part. Again, no views are equal. Make viral financial videos for Americans if you want to become rich on YouTube. Since I mostly make shorter type content, you would expect others to make quite a lot more, and they probably do. If we look at the video I made most on, it's my first bait compilation video where I have 850,000 views with an average view duration of 5.5 minutes. There is so much more one can talk about when it comes to this topic. I find it super interesting, but I want to keep it short and simple, straight to the point. But leave any questions down in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer all of them, because I know probably a lot of you have many questions when it comes to this, and I'm an open book. But I gotta get back to my bait setup, guys. See you around. Have a great day.